I gave Flowith a shot to see if it could help me make some money. Turns out it could do a lot. From writing resumes to tutoring languages, this AI really said,
I got you.
Whoa. Okay. But first, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let me show you how easy it is to make some money with Flowith. Okay, so now we're about to start a resume writing business. And I need help. And I'm going to show you how it's going to be done. Don't forget to have agent mode on. All right? So let's get started. How to start an online resume writing business. We're about to start this. Okay, I'm giving you an example. You can start any business you like, but you're going to need Flowith. Because look at this. Agent Neo is giving me the details. And I'm talking step by step. The plan, how much it's going to cost. And if you have more questions, you can go in deeper and deeper and deeper. Agent Neo got you every step of the way. Let's get started. Look at this. It's doing all the analyzing, how to get started in 2025. It's going in. Look at this. It's finding all the details. It's generating, analyzing, executive summary. Look at this. Online resume, the equipment I'm going to need, how to help job seekers. It's giving me a lot of details. All right. I'm telling you, you're going to get this started, your business, whatever business you're about to start, and it's going to be completed the right way, the proper way. Agent Neo is not leaving out anything, okay? And even including how much merchandise you might need, how much cost, how much everything is going to cost, depending where you live at, where you're starting your business. Every detail. This is how you start a business. Look at this. The whole guide to enduring success. And it goes in and it's getting all it's giving me my whole toolkit. It's giving me everything to have this business started. Yes, I can write resumes, but how do I make this into a business? Where can I advertise this resume writing business? You got to know how to advertise. How you going to get your customers, your clients? People need resumes. They're getting jobs. They need to know, they need to be able to find you. And this is how they find you. Ads. Look, it even gives you pictures. Agent Neil's giving me images on how to advertise. Yes, a whole roadmap. Organic traffic. How to do this. Look at this. High quality clients. It's really breaking it down for me. Thank you, Agent Neo. Wow. Okay, so now I can go in deeper. You could just keep asking questions and look, can you make a dynamic landing page for this business? Okay, and add a little chat box on the page. That'll help with the sales, providing prices and availability. Okay, it's going to have a whole calendar for me. Well, is anything else needed to turn first-time visitors into clients? Who do you think is going to do this? Agent Neo is digging deep. He's going in. Boom, look at this. I have a whole landing page. He's going to get me my clients. He's doing everything. You have questions? I have a whole chat box ready for you. Onboarding, strategy call, drafting, finalization. Your resume will get you jobs, will get you a whole new career with my resume writing business. Thanks to Agent Neo. Look at this. We changed some of the pictures onto the site. And now we have, look, it's moving now. Look at the pages they type in. Agent Neo gave me those graphs, gave me that image. It even gave me prices based on what I offer. This is amazing. You have a whole business in less than 30 minutes. Every detail from soup to nuts, everything in between. Agent Neo has you covered. Do you see how you can start a business and do it correctly? Do it right. You don't want to skip out things. Oh, I didn't know I need this. I didn't know this is going to cost this much. I didn't know how much. Use the prompts. How much is going to cost me to do this? How much can I start off with? Can I do this for under $3,000? Agent Neil is going to give you that information. This is how you start a business correctly. Okay, so now I'm on the Flowith homepage and I'm going to speak to Agent Neo. I'm excited, Agent Neo. But first, I need to prompt Agent Neo and I need to have the agent mode on. Look on the right hand side. You see that little purplish button right there on the right hand side? I need to make sure that's on. So please make sure that's on. And Agent Neo is going to help you. So I'm going to create some printables that you could sell on Etsy or Gumroad. And also you can use these printables if you're a teacher or a tutor, maybe on OutSchool, you want to do some freelance tutoring. This is how you go about it. You need first material. You need the printables to teach. And you can also sell these as bundles. You can sell them on your website. So I'm going to show you how to make some of these fabulous printables with Agent Neo. This is so exciting. Okay, so let's get started. All right. So can you make a few fun worksheets teaching? Okay, let's do 4. Okay. So 4 fun worksheets teaching English to native Spanish speakers. Okay. So make sure the agent mode is on, something that can be sold on Etsy as printables. And there's so many sites you can sell it on. Okay. So let's do this. Okay. Agent Neo is getting to work. Okay. Look at the outline. Look what it's doing. It's making it happen. Common beginning English. Look at it. Worksheets, blueprint. Look at this. It's making them. And remember, it's going to be used for people that are learning English for the first time. They might be they're Spanish speaking. You could do any language you want. Agent Neo can do it. So look at the outline of the worksheets, and it is getting busy. Yes. It is generating, it is analyzing, it is processing. Oh my goodness. Look how adorable. Eat an apple. These are for like beginners. This is such a great tool. And this is such a great tool to use if you are doing like different printables and teaching supplies. This is what you need. Look at these pictures. They're going to be incorporated into the worksheets. It's giving me all the images and it's going to incorporate it. Agent Neo is doing his thing. Look at this. Wow. And this is going to help so many people who want to learn English. And you could do this in so many different languages. You can have them learn English and you can have it for people who speak French or Japanese, anything, any language you like, you can generate this. Look, it's generating in front of my eyes. Sandbox preview, and it gives you a preview to explore. Look at that, my home, my casa, table, mesa. Look at this. Look at this. So now the children can translate this, and you can teach it. You can sell these as one sheet per page. This could be a passive income, or you could sell this as a bundle. Look at this. You can have them circle it. And if you tutor, have them say the word mesa, table, and then have them circle it so you can know they identify to the picture. I love these worksheets because the image helps that child learn the language so much faster. Hola, let's talk. You see what I mean? Everything can be translated. And with the visuals, it makes it so much easier. Look, you can have them draw where it says hello. Have them draw. What do you say with the hand? Goodbye. Look at this. Buenos dias. Have them do 1, uno, 2, dos. Have them do that. Have them do that. They have the colors. This is amazing. It's like things you would never think of. Like, wow, Agent Neo did it. You could sell this and make so much money, and it can just keep going. Agent Neo can just keep going more and more. It can go in more details. It can, I'm telling you, you can have like 500 worksheets from Agent Neo, and all you have to do is prompt it. This is incredible. Do you see the future? Oh my goodness, it is looking bright. I love it. Every day you wait is another day you leaving money on the table. With Flowith, you can streamline your work, boost your productivity, and turn your skills into real income online fast. Click the link now and start building your next income stream today. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with Flowith. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.